Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's caramel banana cake cooked in the Kmart Family Piemaker. This Family Piemaker is so easy to use, it doesn't stick, it makes it a perfect size tea time cake, and we're going to just mash up one large banana, cut off any bruises. This is really quite a ripe banana, and we're just going to put that into a bowl to mash up. The other banana we're going to slice up, and I'll show you what to do with that later. In the meantime, we have our Family Piemaker, which we are going to line with a piece of baking paper. Now, just smash that all up really quite well. Pop it into the pie maker, and what that scrunching it up does, it actually forces the pie maker shape into the paper when you're pressing the little mold. So you take that out, and that's what you should have. Okay, if you just try to do that with normal paper, it'll just pop straight back out again. If that's not turned on, just put it to one side. I've got another small piece that's going to go on the top, and that's going to stop the top from sticking because we're going to do something else with the top. So our mashed banana. Okay, now I've mashed the banana, but I've left some little chunks in it. It's not really mashed right down to slime, because when you cut into it, we want to realize that it's actually a banana. Okay, so it's in with our egg, in with our vanilla extract, a teaspoon, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and all but 2 teaspoons of our brown sugar. That brown sugar is going to be sprinkled onto the top with some of our butter when we slice our bananas in the top of it. Pretty well mixed. You see the chunks of banana there now? Okay. Now, some of our butter, leave some of the butter again, and about 2 teaspoons of butter left behind, 2 teaspoons there. That's going to be brushed with our little pastry brush on top of our sliced bananas on the top of our cake. Just mix that all around. No need to preheat the pie maker. This is going to be a really fast cake. In with our flour, about half of our flour. Just mix that through. Of our milk. The ingredients will be scrolling as I speak, and they're also in the recipe box below. Okay, more of our flour. And a little bit more milk. Don't overmix this. Mixing something longer does not mean it'll be any lighter. All it means is you're going to work the gluten in the flour and toughen your cake. Okay, that's ready to go now. Dip our batter into our pie maker. Smooth it out. Okay, peel our other banana, which is a smaller banana, and the reason that I'm using that is it's got a more round shape here, so we're going to layer it around the top of our tin. Just take some slices off. Sort of like filleting a fish, except there's no bones in bananas. Fun fact for you. Okay, now get our banana pieces and just lay them around the top. Just like so. Fudge it a little bit if you have to. Okay, now we're going to brush this with butter. Okay. Sprinkle it with cinnamon, and then sprinkle our brown sugar over the top. Now you can put some nuts in this if you like. You can also put a layer of bananas in the middle as well, and you can even use some of those little butterscotch chocolate chips that you can buy. Okay, alrighty. Now our other piece of paper goes on top. That's all you need to do, and we're going to close the lid. Now this is going to stop it, the top paper is going to stop it from sticking and burning, but it is also going to allow the heat to caramelize those bananas with the sugar and the cinnamon and give it a gorgeous, almost toffee-like flavour. We're going to turn our pie maker on now. Now at half time, at about 5 minutes, we are going to physically turn our recipe around, and I'm showing you that because the reason that we do that is when you close the pie maker, and we won't be latching it shut, just let it sit on its hinge. This hinge here stops the pie maker from rising on this side. If you want an even rise on your pie maker, you physically have to turn your cake around. Similar to when you put a cake in the oven, and sometimes you have to turn it around if it's cooking more on one side than the other. Okay, 5 minutes time, we're turning it around. Another 5 to 7 minutes after that, we'll be removing a gorgeous caramel banana tea cake made in the Kmart Family Piemaker. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're just going to lift the lid and turn our cake around so that it rises evenly. And give it another 7 minutes or so and check it again. Alright, after our 7 minutes is up, our cake has risen, as you can see. We're going to turn it around again because it's rising more on one side than the other. Switch it around and you can see the banana's just caramelizing there, and we're going to give it another 4 minutes. Okay, after another 4 minutes, we're just going to take our top off there. You can see that our bananas are cooked. We're just going to pop our skewer in. If it comes out clean, which it has, our cake is cooked. Just turn it off and leave it where it is. The residual heat in the pie maker will just make sure that it's thoroughly cooked through. No need to close the lid on it again. And that's it. Leave it for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to take it out. We're just going to take our gorgeous caramel banana cake out. Pie maker's still perfectly clean. It's nice and brown all around, and that cinnamon and brown sugar on top just smells delicious. Okay, and that's it. We're just going to let that cool completely now. Dust it with a bit of icing sugar if you like, or you can drizzle some caramel sauce on that. That would be nice. I've showed you how to make that in a different video. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's caramel banana cake cooked in the Kmart Family Piemaker. Thanks for watching. Some little chunks of banana in there. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's caramel banana cake cooked in the Kmart Family Piemaker. Thanks for watching. Okay, just to dress our little caramel banana cake, we're going to put a blob of yogurt, some slices of banana, a little drizzle of honey, and a little shake of cinnamon. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's caramel banana cake cooked in the Kmart Family Piemaker. Thanks for watching.